Hi guys, back with Samantha Learn Spoken Sinhala. Let's see what we learn today. Must know words for regular usage. The first word is Ayubowan. Ayubowan. I will tell you what Ayubowan means in Sinhala. Plus, here I want to tell you this word is not a regular word for spoken Sinhala. It is like Ayubowan is used for a greeting or a goodbye, but not in spoken Sinhala, not in informal language we speak. But let's see a teacher and a student in a class, they will say Ayubowan to each other as a greeting and a goodbye. But when we speak with our families, friends, and other people, we don't use Ayubowan. As you can see, the news in Sri Lanka starts with Ayubowan, ends with Ayubowan. So this is not a regular word, but it is nice that all the foreigners, everyone who visits Sri Lanka, they learn this is the word. Ayubowan is the word to greet someone. Yes, it is really nice when someone, a foreigner, someone from other country, come and say Ayubowan. That implies the first thing that you know some Sinhala and it is really cool. But I want to say it is not like very common word we use with each other. It is kind of little bit formal, but it is okay if you are a foreigner to use it. It's cool. And let's see what this Ayubowan means. When someone says Ayubowan, it means that person is wishing the other person to have a long lifespan. So this Ayubowan word is divided into three words. Ayusha Boho Veva. Ayubowan. Ayusha Boho Wanna. Or Ayusha Boho Veva. This Ayusha word, Ayusha means lifespan. Boho, in spoken Sinhala, we say Godak. Godak. That means a lot. Wanna, Veva. Wenna, be. So, when someone says Ayubowan, it means that person is wishing the other person to have a long lifespan. So, Ayubowan has a really nice meaning. So, when you say Ayubowan, you now know what it means in Sinhala language. And the main thing to remember is Ayubowan is not used as hi, hello in Sri Lanka. You can say, if you are a foreigner, when you visit a place, you can say Ayubowan. That would make the Sinhalese feel really happy. But if you are a person who stays in Sri Lanka, you don't always go and say Ayubowan to people, random people you meet. It is not used like hi, hello. So instead, let's see what we say when we meet the person generally. කොහොමද? කොහොමද? So the English translation for this කොහොමද is how. How. How means කොහොමද. So when you meet someone, if you are the first person to talk, you can say කොහොමද. Then the other person will reply හොඳයි. හොඳයි. Good. And they will ask you back ඔයාට කොහොමද? ඔයාට කොහොමද? How are you? Or කොහොමද ඔයාට? So the conversation goes like කොහොමද? හොඳයි. ඔයාට කොහොමද? Like that. So normally first person says කොහොමද. not oyata kohomada, but kohomada. I know kohomada means how, and how is not a proper word to say to a person in English, but Sinhala, how means kohomada, and kohomada is a very good way to start a conversation. Kohomada. And how are you means kohomada oyata. The second person will ask you how are you. But the first person, as the first person, you say kohomada. Only kohomada. And if you are going to visit a person in a hospital, a sick person, someone who is not well, if you are going to visit them, then you can use oyata kohomada. Instead of kohomada, then you can use oyata kohomada. The complete sentence, oyata kohomada. So, two guys would probably use machang. Machang is the friendly word guys use to each other. So, two guys will probably say, Kohomada machang, Hondai machang. So, this machang word is definitely there in their conversation. And two girls will probably say, Hello Kohomada. Hello Kohomada. Hondai hello. So, just like in guys' language, machang is there, and in girls' language, this word hello is there, and hello is like it is not a singular word, and it is not hello. Like when we answer the phone, hello, it is not hello, but it is hello, and it is just a friendly way, like machang, but it is not a singular word. It is originated from this word hello somehow, and I don't know how. So the conversation will be like Kohomada, Hondai, Oyata, Kohomada. And another thing, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, those also Subodhasanak, Subaratriyak, normally Sinhalese don't use them. Now, I can say we say good morning, good night, but those Sinhala words, Subaratriyak, Subodhasanak, those things Sinhalese don't use much. I mean, in day-to-day life, they don't say Subaratriyak or Subodhasanak. But if someone says it would, they would probably say in English, good morning, good night. So those singular words are also not in use actually. But if you listen to a program in TV, then you can hear Subodhasana. So it is used as a formal greeting in TV programs, but in our day-to-day lives with our friends, family, we don't say Subodhasanak, Subaratriya. If we say, we will probably say good morning, good night. So it is a small lesson, mostly aimed at beginners or people who are planning to visit Sri Lanka. So this is an idea how a conversation starts, how a regular greeting happens in Sinhala language. So please do subscribe to my channel and watch the other videos as well, and look forward for new video updates. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, comment. Comments are important, so please do comment why you like the video or dislike the video, the reason. So the comments are really important, and I will reply as possible. And share my videos with your friends who likes to learn Sinhala or who are willing to visit Sri Lanka. Thank you for watching. Bye.